Wala ka talaga alam tungkol dito. Wala! Di ba? Yes ba? Kaya nag-roll ka pa ng ay sabi sa'yo surprise eh. Talaga, yeah, I have a surprise. Totoo, ito yun. Si Brian.
Last name? Ako talaga nagpatawag eh.
Go on stage. Si Ben daw talaga nag-set up. Pero wala.
Bakit nasa dito ba?
Awkward ba? No, awkward ba yun? Wait, bababa sila sa stage.
Wag na
lang daw. O yan, para maganda.
Part siya ng show.
Sorry, caught off guard ka talaga. Yeah! Hi! Thank you first. Brian, yung nakilala mo na si Johnny.
I never thought I'd get this far, so or this close to someone I've always kind of admired from behind.
So are you courting her?
You know, I'd like to ask permission maybe from her athlete to get to know her.
Wow!
Wow!
Because I need to get to know something about them, to know their family.
Parang ito yung pilig na kanina tinatawag.
Hindi mo kahit kami, Brian, baka
Kaya ka natawa na nagtanong si Hikman.
kaya magpapaalam mo na sa amin. Kasi hindi kaya kami sa Malacanang next year.
Guys, picture.
Wait guys, pakipatay yung mga ilaw. Pinapapagpasan ako. So Brian, are you courting her?
Ayan, picture lang sa
Picture.
We just met today, so I really don't know where this is going to go, but I really hope I get to know her.
You always
Jay, papasok pa siya sa show.
Why Jasmine? Why
Hindi
Jasmine?
na siya mag-guest sa show.
Why not?
I heard just a few minutes ago that she's single and no one's courting her.
So are you single? Are you single?
Kasi tatanong ka sa'yo, pati yung breast, may question for the breast.
Guys, picture.
Grabe na to, Brian.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.